Hello, this is Gregor. So today I am doing some website building. Um, I don't really know what I'm doing to begin with, so more or less my journey of noob to pro, so to say, beginner to expert. So I'm starting off in Adobe XD. So Adobe XD, right there, if you can see that. So that is a free program from Adobe that allows you to design. So we're starting off with the basic square. Um, let's see now. New. You can choose what size you want. I already went through. That's what I'm doing. Practice one. So I'm going to design just a basic keyboard. So start off. Put a square. Shoot. Back to the hand. Oh, cool. You can change your curvedness, width, angle, move it. Okay. Let's see now. Is there a paint? Oh, there's pen, texture, assets, items, plugins. Nope. Okay. Prototype. Aha. Sure. Let's start with design. Appearance. Oh, here's color under appearance. Yeah, fill. Let's. What do we want? I like the blue. No. How's that? That looks pretty decent. I'm gonna go with that. Uh, this. I'm gonna fill you black. Then control plus or minus to zoom. Now there are 26 keys in the alphabet, but you have also space, which 26, 27, 3 rows of 10 for 30, so space period, space period, comma, yeah, 3 rows of 10, copy. Right now I'm just copying and pasting, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shift to select multiple. Control C, Control V. Just another Control V. There you go. So I am is that what it is? Track, intersect, change flexible size, resize, and layouts. Okay, default state. How state? No, let's just. Oh shoot, what did I do? Control Z is to undo. Undo, undo, undo. Okay. Let's figure it out. Merge. Merge. Control in. Alright, finally got them all merged. Yay! Alright, now we can. Control G is group. Nice. There you go. Very simple, rudimentary keyboard. Very simple, rudimentary keyboard. Yay! Alright. Okay. Ship that. Now, if you notice how the blue border goes all the way around, but yet these ones don't have it. That's what I was mixing. Alright. Merge. Uh-oh. There we go. Okay, let's save that. Merge that and that. Merge. Ah, notice how that gets that little blue glow, but this one doesn't. No blue glow. Merge. Yay, okay, so if I was to ZK. Alright, hold on. Shift Control ZK. Yeah, they're not perfectly centered, but close enough, right? Yeah, Control G to merge. Add merge. I don't know where merge is over here. I don't know. Oh well. Let's zoom out. So here's the website. Let's just make another box. Got my keyboard. Yay! Actually, this one I am just going to leave it blank. I'll add a bit of curvature to it. There you go. That's more or less what I'm thinking for a basic website. So, file save. So we've got that, if you could see that. So, alright. Now, next program. So, index.js. JS is JavaScript, CSS is cascading style sheets, and HTML is hypertext markup language. Those are the three different programs that three different languages I'm going to be using to make this website. JavaScript is the main component of all of this. The other two are more or less just simple flares, so I'm just going to call this home. Okay. Okay, here, do an exclamation mark, and hit enter for, trying to remember what this is called. This is Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here, Control S. Alright, so document type is HTML. The language is English. What type of characters, like your letters, numbers, periods, commas, emojis, things like that, that's a character set. And we're using UTF-8, viewport, other stuff. Title is document. I'm going to call title to on screen keyboard. Alright, so body, we want to have two divs. Div C2 divs. We're going to follow this. I'm going to move this to my other screen so you can't see it anymore. But I can. So, actually I have I'm gonna make two divs. No. Yes, two divs. And this div, I'm gonna put a P, paragraph. P stands for paragraph, so you can like say stuff like hello, and it'll show up. Yes, you have to put the quotation marks around it, because if you just do hello, actually no, I think you can just do hello. Yeah, you can just do hello. Oh, hold on. So open folder. I'm going to open up a different folder, select folder, file, open folder, select folder. Hopefully, there it goes. You notice down here in the corner where it says go live. That is an extension to this extensions live server. So this one, well, when you're working with just vanilla JavaScript, vanilla HTML, and vanilla CSS or Node JavaScript, then this will let you launch it onto your website. So see, right there it says hello. And this other one, the backup hair colorizer, if I was to come back over to here, actually it's index.js, so let's see now if I said let this equal fed. Oh, nope, I can't say this. This is the term, let human. So with JavaScript, there's certain words that you can't quite use, but const function. Oh, yeah, let's do const run function of. We need a parameter, so this is parameter, then the actual function itself. So for I equals 0 and not I equals 0. Gotta use the right 0, not O, 0. I is less than parameter I plus. Okay, see, let me just space that out for you. So, okay, first of all, bracket colorizer. So, backup pair colorizer. If you notice how these are yellow and these are purple, so you can actually tell which ones are going to which. It's like, say, if I was to, for some reason, put an extra colorizer, that goes red, because it thinks, because this one is in its way. Because these two are considered a set and these two are considered a set, so this one doesn't have set. But the moment I do that, it fixes itself. And then let's just do, let's say, console.log parameter. So see, we got blue, purple, and that. So that's like a very simple script. I don't even need this. So this is a simple function, so I say if I do run 5, what that'll do is I created a constant variable by the name of run, which is a function, and it takes a parameter and does this for loop. So I is equal to 0, and while I is less than this given parameter, it'll do this function of console.log, so it'll log this to my console of whatever that parameter it is, and then it'll increase the I value by 1. So I will go from 0 to 1. So as long as I is less than the parameter, this will go through. But as soon as I is equal to whatever number I give this parameter, this for loop will cancel, and this function will end. The parameter I'm putting in is 5. So 5 gets put into the parameter. So this is too small. Let me know in the next video and I'll let you know. So yeah, that's bracket, colorizer, and that's a basic function. So let's come back over here. Come to that. And style is, so consider this as the bones, as this will give you the shape. This is the skin, which gives you the color, or what it looks like, and then this is the meat that allows the website to actually function. So this is considered the meat, the brains, the organs, all of the vitals. This just gives it a skeleton, a frame to work with. This makes it look pretty, and this makes it function. So those are the three different languages and how they work together. So up here in the head, I also need to do style is oh, sorry, link. So it's not style, it's link. Link. Style sheet. Heref. So that basically will connect this to this. And then at the very end, I'm going to write script. Okay, no, Control Z. Script source is index.js. The reason why I put this as the bottom is because JavaScript reads from top to bottom. So it'll read from the top of this and down to the very bottom. So yeah, that's how it works. That's why it's on the bottom. That's how it was explained to me. So we got the on-screen keyboard that says hello. I'm going to move this over here. Alright, well, style, let's do with body. Background color. RGB. See, it says red, green, blue, but so red, RGB, red is 7. Green is 177. And blue is 58. So now background color has changed. Wow. Okay, now then. That's how I set up that first one. Now for the paragraph. This one's going to be fun. Button. S. Nope, not submit. Just button times 30. Ready for that? Button. Alright, now, button. Now here's the fun part. Div, I'm gonna call you class. I'm trying to remember what they are. It's not A, B, C, D, no. F, I, J, no, K, L, M, N, P, Q, S, T, U, V, X. Hold on. Oh, is that ID? Yeah. Div.id. Not that. That. Hold on. Ah. I believe it's ID. Hold on. I'll have to double check that. Okay, yeah, it is ID. Okay. See, ID, I'm going to call you is keyboard. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. C. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Alright. Space was 2 buttons. Period. Comma. Alright. Now that's just telling me I want to connect something. I'm not going to bother with it. So, yeah. That's just a backup feature using Git. Git is a feature that allows you to back up your files, so it's really nice. But I'm not going to worry about it. Now I'm going to go to Style. I am going to use, yeah. keyboard. Display. Good. Okay. Control S. There we go. Good. Put rows. Ten. Right? No. Columns. No. Right. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, so I figured it out. It's display grid. So on home, I've got this main div with all the buttons in it. So that main div, I gave an ID, a button, keyboard, ID keyboard. Hashtag keyboard is for IDs. Gave it a display grid, and it's grid template columns. So now you can see I have buttons. Then I can go through and I can resize it. Now let's go with background color black. Button. And give it a border of 2 pixels. Nope. No border. Margin. There we go. Okay. Alright, so here, display grid, background colors black, so black. Got that black keyboard. Margin, we'll give it a spacing. So